Now, something that can really mess up a weekend or a day is joint pain. Ugh, do your knees, shoulders, or back keep you from doing the things that you used to enjoy?
Well, there's a new medical clinic in town that focuses on non-surgical treatments and therapies to get you moving again. And the name on the outside of the clinic, I think you're going to recognize it. Here's a hint for you. We're off to see the wizard. If you spend almost 20 years in the majors, you play over 2,500 games at shortstop, you turn over 1,500 double plays, and you steal 580 bases? 580 bases.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
You're gonna take some dents and dings, right? Walk us down the road of some of the health issues that you've faced over the years.
There are a lot of nicks and bangs and all that stuff, and sometimes you don't really feel that until 15, 20 years after you retire. And certainly for me, I thought that day would never come, but it did.
Even for the wizard.
Even for the wizard.
2 years ago, trying to avoid surgery, Ozzie Smith found himself in Paducah, Kentucky at IMAC Regeneration Center.
Getting some PRP for my shoulder.
PRP is an acronym for platelet-rich plasma.
Platelets are very good healing things in the body.
When you cut your finger, for example, it's the platelets in your blood that go to work, healing the wound.
The same thing happens in joints as we inject that in there. Those platelets will activate and help to heal the tissue internally.
So how does Ozzie go from successful treatments in Paducah to opening his own center here in St. Louis?
They said, we're thinking about opening a center in St. Louis. Would you be interested in partnering with us? And knowing what I knew and looking at the results and things that I had gotten, I said, this is perfect.
Wandy Simmons was told last year,
you are going to have this knee replaced. So, okay, fine. I'm going to schedule it for 2016.
but just a short time later,
I dropped from what they call the widowmaker heart attack. If 100 people drop from this thing at the same time, 98 don't get up, 2 of us do. I'm one of those 2.
Wandy is fortunate to be alive, but his doctors told him,
you cannot go ahead and do any other kinds of surgery. That's just not going to happen, so the knee thing is off.
Looking for non-surgical solutions, Wandy found the Ozzie Smith Center.
When Mr. Simmons came to the Ozzie Smith IMAC Regeneration Clinic, he had severe pain in his left knee, a lot of arthritis, a lot of swelling. Walking with a cane, staff came up with a protocol to improve knee function. Number 1, therapy for his knee. Number 2, platelet-rich plasma. Also, he will be getting some stem cells derived from our own fat tissue, and then we can inject that in the joint as well too, which further helps to heal and regenerate tissue inside the knee.
After a week, I was no longer on my cane. This is a solution that a lot of people really need to be aware of.
We continue to watch miracles every day in this place, and my name's on the place, but it would be nothing without the staff that are working here.
The Ozzie factor, or the O factor, okay, is the fact that everyone knows how charming this man is, right? But the staff here far exceed him. And they do it out of their enthusiasm for seeing you get better. You need to go to Ozzie Smith Regeneration Center and get well.
So maybe this is finally the solution you've been looking for, huh? You'll find the new Ozzie Smith IMAC Regeneration Center in Chesterfield at 13353 Olive Boulevard. You can give them a call, 314-200-4955, or visit their website. It's OzzieSmithCenter.com.
Matt, that could literally be a game changer for people.
Certainly could, no doubt, Laura.